Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can log out of Viber application on your iPhone. Before getting started, let me tell you that Viber does not have a traditional logout button, but you can still log out by deactivating or reinstalling the app. The first thing you can do is to simply go ahead and spot your Viber app and press and hold the application. In the pop-up, click on Remove App and click on Delete button twice. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the Viber application from your iOS device. Go back to your App Store, reinstall the app again, and you will be able to see that you have logged out of your Viber. But when you reinstall, you'll need to verify your number again. Another way to log out is by deactivating your account. Open up your Viber application on your device and tap on More at the bottom right. Within the More menu, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Account. Now select Deactivate Account. Go ahead and enter your phone number in the provided text box at the bottom and tap on Deactivate Account. Follow through the prompts and Viber will log you out and erase your chat data from the device. If you want to return later, just sign in with your number again. So, that was how you can easily log out from Viber using your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.